Que pasa, Mufasa? Welcome to Fungi Cookery. So we live in southern Mexico, and one of the coolest things about living in southern Mexico is the rainy season. And today we're gonna be making wild mushroom pot pie. The mushrooms that we're gonna be cooking with today are a type of Amanita. The locals call them Yuyos. I'm in one of the indigenous markets in town right now, and because it's the rainy season, we've got fresh hongos. The locals call these Yuyos, and I believe they're a type of Amanita. I've never eaten these before, but I heard they're amazing. Gonna make a hongo pot pie tonight with fresh, wild, seasonal mushrooms in southern Mexico. So let's get cracking in the kitchen. Waiting for. You tear up the mushroom, pierce the veils, and gently toss them in the mixture. Woo! I'm so excited. Whoa. These Yuyos absolutely disappear into the blend and give it such a rich, earthy flavor and a fine texture. I tell you what, man, these Yuyo mushrooms, they make a fine pot pie. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment, let us know what's up. A lot more Fungi Cookery coming your way this year, baby.